I've just arrived in Barcelona ahead of the Quality English mission, and I'm really looking forward to catching up with some of our partners, old and new, and having a really great workshop. LILA is the only Quality English school in Liverpool, and we're really proud to be a part of such an amazing association with lots of other schools who share our same passion and drive to high quality schools. The missions that Quality English put together are always fantastic and a great way for us to meet new partners, promote our schools and get ideas from other schools as well who are of similar independent smaller language schools. First meeting of the day done with this lovely agent.
Thank you.
Another great meeting promoting LILA.
Hello.
So we've had an absolutely fantastic day at the Quality English Workshop here in Barcelona, meeting lots of new and existing partners and sharing ideas about how we can welcome more students to Liverpool. I'm now ready and off to the evening gala to celebrate Quality English's 15-year anniversary and their 100th mission. I'm really looking forward to celebrating with everyone in style.